Hey guys, it's myself here. Welcome back to the channel, and today we are unboxing the iPhone 13 in the color pink. Now this one was highly requested, one of the new colors. This one's going to be very popular, I believe, and I wanted to compare it to a rose gold, I guess you can call it, for the iPhone 8, which is the color that I believe would be more comparable to if you ever had this one or seen this one in person. I wanted you to sort of see the difference here. Of course, this one is now available as of today. It is iPhone 13 official launch day. You can pick this up at your local Apple store. Again, no plastic is now on Apple iPhone boxes. We have these tabs on the back here that we can rip open just like so in order to get the device out of the box. So we're going to do that just now. And I also wanted to compare the processing power because this year the iPhone received the Apple A15 Bionic chip, which I want to compare to previous years. Now, of course, inside of the box, as per usual, we get the charging cable and then the instructions and all that good stuff with the Apple stickers. You guys already know the rest of that stuff. And this color pink is sort of interesting, and I hope the camera is doing this justice. So take a look at that pink. Again, I wanted to compare it to what I believe was the closest shade of color to it, which is the rose gold 8. I believe is the closest I can get to sort of give you an idea. If you've seen the 8 in person, is sort of like the 8, but not really. This one's slightly darker. It is pink, but it is not as pink as I thought it would be. Let's go ahead and remove the plastic here. And of course, this one has the new camera system as well on the back. So as we can see right there, compared to previous generation iPhones, these go vertical on the iPhone 11 here and iPhone 12. And right here, we have them sort of horizontal, if you will, sort of horizontal, not really, just across from each other. So I'm going to go ahead and set up this device here. And I'm going to go ahead and run a benchmark to see what the performance would be like in comparison to a previous iPhone like the iPhone 12. So let's go ahead and set this one up. Okay, so we're officially set up here. The pink iPhone 13 is now ready to go. Now, a few things to note, obviously, is the new camera system available on this one. The color is new. We also have the earpiece, which is located towards the top here edge of the device, which makes the notch smaller as well compared to previous generation. Apple says it's about 20% smaller, but as you can see right there, to me it looks like 30%, maybe even 40% smaller, which is always a good thing. I want to take a quick look here at the build number on this one, and then we'll take a look at the benchmarks here. There it is. The build number is going to be iOS 15 and 19A 341. Now, the official release for other devices is 344, so for whatever reason, there's something new there. And one thing to note is the new wallpapers, of course, which are available for the iPhone 13. We have this lighter pink color here. We can press to get that cool animation. We also have a bluish green one available here as well. Apple always does a great job at wallpapers. I really like the Apple wallpapers here. Let's take a look at all the wallpapers available. We also have a lighter blue available here. And we also have, last but not least, which is the darker pink, which is the one that I'm rocking on the pink iPhone 13. So let me know, would you be picking up a pink iPhone 13 anytime soon? This one looks pretty cool. Let's go ahead and run a benchmark here to compare it to an iPhone 12, for example. So let's go ahead and run a benchmark here quickly and see what the numbers look like. Now, on this iPhone 12, I already run a benchmark here on the Apple A14 processor. We have a multi-core score of 1597 and then a single core score of 1597 and a multi-core score of 3941. So we're going to wait for the results here on the iPhone 13, which is rocking the A15 versus the Apple A14 to see the performance increase year over year. So let's just give it a few seconds here and I'll be right back. Okay, so the test is just about completed. There we go. And take a look at the difference right there. So single core score is 1694 on the Apple A15, which is a big jump there on single core score. And multi-core score, for whatever reason, the Apple A14 performed better than the A15. We have 3760 versus 3941. And yes, this iPhone is the Max, so it has one more core to work with, but it shouldn't be that big of a difference in my opinion. So you can see right here, the iPhone 12 Pro Max actually performed better on the multi-core score department here. So there you guys have it. That is the iPhone 12 in pink. The performance, the notch is smaller, the new cameras and camera setup. Pink, really not so pink in my opinion, but I think it looks pretty dope. It feels very premium and it's a step in the right direction. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.